Hello everybody, this is me, my unboxings and money today, and today I have a very special video because I'll be unboxing the just released Motorola Moto E6 Plus. I got this in the colour grey for £99.99, and paying that amount you get actually quite a lot of features. By saying that, you get a 6.1 inch Vision Max HD Plus display, which is amazing. You get a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual rear camera, and it comes loaded with the Android 9 Pie latest operating system, which is amazing. And in my opinion, in the field of technology and in the world of technology, you have people that hate Motorola and you have people that really love them. And I fit in the category where I really like this company and this brand itself. I remember when I was like a child and I had my first phone. It was a Motorola Razr phone, the first Razr phone that came out. And that phone was amazing. Everyone loved it at the time, including myself. It was very durable. You know, you could make calls and I think there was internet browsing as well, which everyone, like all my friends were like, oh my god, you have internet on your phone. You know, it was such a big thing at the time. So that's why I really appreciate this brand. Until today, I still appreciate it. And by looking at the reviews online, it looks like many of you guys appreciate it as well. So that's amazing. That's why I purchased this phone today. I was like, I'm going to make an unboxing video, I'm going to make a review video, and hopefully a water test video. Because again, you guys appreciate and love those videos on my channel. So thank you very much guys for showing your love. And that will push me hopefully in the future to make more videos on phones like that. So I'm not going to talk now, I'm just going to go straight into the box. I know you hate it when I talk too much. But you can see at the front of the box it says the Motorola Moto E6 Plus. On the side it just says some of the specifications I just told you. So 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera, 6.1 inch HD Max Vision display, 8 megapixel selfie camera, and a fingerprint sensor at the back. So for £100 you're even getting a fingerprint sensor. You know, some phones don't even have that these days for that price tag you're paying. On the side here, nothing much. On the back you have the phone here, and you see you get it in three colours. You get this sort of red colour, green colour, grey colour, and this sort of a tinted colour, a blended colour between the two. And I don't think this option here is available in the UK, but if you want to double check, you can double check. It might be available however on Amazon.com. If you're purchasing it from the UK, you might have to pay like £50 extra for the shipping if you're so interested in that colour, or maybe even eBay, so it's worth a look. But anyway guys, I'll leave all the links down below to where I purchased this phone, and I'll leave some international links as well, so if you're watching this from the US, you will see where I got this from as well. Okay, so I'm just actually going to open the box now. So as you can see, I haven't actually opened the box yet, it's sealed, so let's open it now and see how it is. Okay, so just open that now, and let's see how it is inside the box. Okay, so the first thing you're presented with is the Motorola. Okay, so this is the phone here. I think I just said that is I got it in a grey colour, so correct that guys, it's actually in the red colour. So there you go, the Motorola E6, and it actually comes with a case pre-installed, which is cool, and it comes with a screen protector as well. So that's the phone guys, so I'll put it to the side. Here in the box, what else do you get? So this little flap thing just comes up like that, and you get the little manual. So you get the Motorola Moto E6 Plus readme manual, and you get the I guess like the further instruction guide or warranty guide, which is not really important, I don't care about that. You get this stuff here, which is the Motorola and I'm guessing not fancy sort of stuff, Motorola UK adapter. It comes with a branded Motorola, which is pretty awesome, because again guys, I told you I'm a big Motorola fan since the Razr phone, so amazing. Surprisingly, it also comes with this adapter here. Now, I've actually never seen before a phone that has this sort of adapter where you put your SIM card in. So that's very, this is my first time seeing a manufacturer having this in, which is pretty handy. So thank you guys for having that. But I guess most smartphones have that sort of SIM card type anyway, micro SIM card type thingy. But anyway, here we have the, I threw like 10 of these away like last time, like a week ago, because I have so much. It's this micro HDMI cable. Like, I see this scattered all the way around my house. It's too much. But you can see that guys here, micro HDMI cable, you know, efficient, great. And it comes with a very big battery, as you can see here. So I'll just take it out of packaging so you guys can see what type of battery it comes with. And you can see it comes with this battery here. And it comes with, it doesn't say how many milliamps, it should say, I can't find it, a 3000 milliamp battery just right there. So a 3000 milliamp battery. So for that price, guys, you're paying for £100. Getting a 3000 milliamp battery is absolutely amazing, especially for the price. You know, 3000 milliamps. I was expecting this phone having like 1500 milliamps for the price, but 3000, very good. And again, guys, that's why I like Motorola. Motorola is known for having such great battery life, and it's such great of an item. But anyway, guys, this is the unboxing of the Moto E6 phone. What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to show you guys what is actually around the phone first, and then I'm going to show you the initial startup and booting. So on the front of the phone, it just again shows you the key specifications, and it even says that it has a 3000 milliamp battery. You know, that's amazing. It also contains a 2 GHz octa-core processor, so it's very, very fast, and for that price, it's very, very light as well. Of course, I haven't added the battery in yet, so let's add that in now. But before that, I'm just going to peel this thing up, because I know a lot of you guys and a lot of people love like the sound, so I'll peel it off right now. Okay, satisfactory. Some people yes, some people no, but you can see it's a very nice phone. So I'm going to remove the... Actually, I'm not going to remove that phone. I'm going to show it around the phone first, or I'll actually remove it and then let you power it up. So this is the phone. I'm going to put the thing in here, like that. I'm just going to take this off first, just to take it off. First impressions of this is a bit plasticky, you know, and I feel like, you know, it can break very easily. So if I show you, if I bend this, for example, I'm not going to do a bend test, but I'll just show you something. If someone was to bend this, you can see that this can be broken very easily. Yeah, so look, if I bend that, it can be broken very easily. So that's one of the disadvantages, that this case here is very fussy. And that's why manufacturers nowadays tend to, you know, include batteries within their phones, so people don't have to take it out, and you know, all of that. But first impressions, guys, the screen looks very, very nice. It's very clean. And this phone actually reminds me of a phone that I just unboxed on my channel, which is a Hdmi N10. I'll leave the link down below to that phone as well. And that phone, I think, cost me about, I think it's on sale now for about...
Hello Moto.
Oh my god, that has so many... That Hello Moto thing has so many memories. Like, I remember when I used to have my Rosa phone, it used to say that to me. Wow, that like has just a minute now, it has so much nostalgia, which is crazy. But anyway, this is sort of the thing where you put your thing, your language. I'm just gonna select start. Skip all of. I'm just gonna skip all of the like necessary stuff. So skip. Okay. So okay, next. Okay. Oh god. This is like what? Okay. I want to see how it is. So fingerprint 1 2 3 4. Next, 1 2 3 4. Confirm. Okay, so now it's telling me to put my hand at the back of the fingerprint. And what I actually like about the fingerprint sensor, so I'm recording my iPhone X, if you can see that already. But what I like about the fingerprint sensor is this thing here. So this thing right here, where it actually has the Motorola sign on the fingerprint sensor. Most phones, even like for example the Google Pixel, has the fingerprint sensor just plain. But this one actually shows its pride. It shows that Motorola, you know, it has the logo there, you know, which is pretty awesome. If you look at my Google Pixel, for example, right here I have a Google Pixel 2. The fingerprint sensor is there, but there's no Google logo inside. The Google logo is at the bottom here. So, you know, Motorola has a great idea of doing that. It's those little things that make this phone special. But anyway, a lot of people might be like, why the hell is this guy talking about that? You know, what's the, like, there's no difference. But anyway, so I'm going to put my hand here, and you can see that it unlocks. So it says adjust it, so I'm going to lift it. It says adjust it different times, and then there, done this a million times in the past with a lot of phones, so it's not going to be, okay, so accept and continue, blah, blah, blah. Okay, quickly. Okay, that actually kind of scared me a bit, but yeah, that's the phone. All started there. You can see that's the Motorola E6 Plus. So on the side of the phone, I'm going to show you some of the specs of the phone first, so that you can see that there's a volume up and down button right there. That works perfectly fine. The lock button that locks the phone, of course. You actually got one speaker here, but for the price again, guys, you shouldn't be complaining. The micro HDMI charging port there, nothing there. And then a 3.5mm head jack, which I appreciate. because when I'm in the car, like I have an aux cable, but I don't have a 3.5mm head jack phone. I have a Google Pixel 2 that doesn't have that. I've got an iPhone X that doesn't have that. What should I do? Stress. So now I have this. Hopefully this could solve the problem. But yep, so I'll just... You see how quick that is? So I'll do that again. 3, 2, 1. Very quick. Very, very quick. Like, I'll compare it to my, I'll compare it to this phone here that I have, the Google Pixel. And you can see, you can even see, you guys, how quick that is. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, no, I haven't put my hand on it. 3, 2, 1. Yep, you see what the winner is, right? Okay, 3. I'm going to do like this. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that kind of one there. But let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2... 3, 2, 1. My hand's not touching on it. What's wrong with me? 3, 2, 1. Okay, that one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, they're kind of the same. Sometimes this one goes quicker, sometimes this one goes quicker. But yeah. Overall, guys, amazing phone. For the first impressions of the phone, I would say it's a pretty amazing phone for the price. Like, if you want to get a phone for your child to go to school, or if you're a teenager and you want your first phone, this is probably one of the best things you could get, options you could get, especially at this price point. If I want to take a picture, for example, of this thing here, I mean, the camera is not too great. I'm not going to lie about that. But the specification of the phone outweighs everything on the camera. If you want to go on the front-facing camera, again, if you can see me there, hi guys. I'm not often not on camera, but you can see myself now. But again, the front-facing camera, I wouldn't say it's an amazing feature of the phone. The front-facing camera and the rear-facing camera, I would say, performs fairly badly. My iPhone 4 front-facing camera is equivalent probably to the rear-facing camera. And a lot of people out there might be criticizing me. You might be like, that's very biased, you should have looked outside, take pictures outside, which is true. This phone might perform good outside, but there's no sort of certain conclusion we can draw as of yet, because this is, remember, just an unboxing video. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of the Motorola Moto E6 Plus unboxing. The next video that I'm planning to make on this phone is the water test, so please leave your comments down below if you really want to see this video. I'll probably upload that video before your comments anyway. But anyway, guys, even if you want to see a review video of this phone, let me know down below in the description box. Have a nice day, guys. I should say in the comments box or comment section. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. Definitely subscribe to my unboxing for more videos. And I know I haven't been making so much videos lately. It's because I had so much coursework and university. It's my final year at university. Everything's going crazy, so I need time for myself. I know YouTube is important as well, so I'll try and make more videos in the upcoming weeks or months. Have a nice day, guys, and let me know your thoughts below. Take care, guys, and subscribe. Bye!